According to famous writer and Nobel Prize winner William Faulkner, you cannot swim for new horizons until you have courage to lose sight of the shore. NCCPL, being a prominent institution of Pakistani capital market, operates at the highest levels of integrity, confidentiality, efficiency, and fairness. We are determined to provide clearing, settlement, and risk management services at par with international best practices to our clients. The economic indicators post-pandemic depicted that Pakistan's economy was well on track and had achieved a substantial recovery. However, several extraordinary political developments and its subsequent implications produced alarming uncertainties. The stock market performance also remained dull throughout the year. KSE 100 index fell by 12% in the current financial year, whereas daily average trading values also dropped by approximately 48% from preceding year's level. It is apparent that the current stock market valuations have compensated for the above highlighted risks, and any tangible improvement on the economic front will trigger a strong rally. Throughout the year, NCCPL has taken crucial steps in order to improve the business interests of its stakeholders, some of which include implementation of professional clearing member regime in coordination with other stakeholders, deployment of risk management regime for custodian clearing member, execution of special purpose primary dealer functionality, revamping of margin financing system and implemented risk management system for 90 days deliverable future contract, implemented clearing, settlement and risk management of growth enterprise market, application of liquid capital regime for assigning exposure limits to securities brokers, brought into motion the KYC push mechanism with banks along with Sahulat account opening functionality with JS Bank and JS Global for mobile wallet accounts, satisfactory conclusion of statutory and regulatory audits. During the current financial year, the daily average volume of shares were 286 million as compared to 610 million shares in the preceding year, whereas daily average value of trades amounted to 9.7 billion rupees compared to 19.2 billion rupees of previous year. The average per day value of settlement amounted to 6.8 billion rupees compared to 10.6 billion rupees in previous year. Our prestigious shareholders include Pakistan Stock Exchange Limited, which owns 49.71% shares, LSE Financial Services Limited, which owns 23.53% shares, ISC Towers REIT Management Company Limited, owning 11.76% shares, Pakistan Kuwait Investment Company Private Limited, which owns the remaining 15% shares. Our shareholder strength makes NCCPL one of the most stable yet very dynamic capital market institution of Pakistan. NCCPL is continuously striving to support persistent growth of capital market through steady improvements in the efficiency and reliability of the overall capital market structure. With focus on the future, some of the projects under development by the company are enhancements in margin financing, margin trading, and securities lending and borrowing systems, clearing, settlement, and risk management of government debt securities, alignments of NCSS with PSX new trading system for smooth implementation, KYC sharing facilitations with banks, takeover of margin trading system from PSX, implementation of early settlement facilities, implementation of RAST for IBAN verification and extension of IBFT facility, risk management of options, improvement of existing risk management regime. It has been envisaged that capital market initiatives taken by SROs for promoting ease of doing business along with certain stability on economic and political front will improve capital market operations and its outlook. We wish to place on record our gratitude to all stakeholders including the SECP, FBR, SBP, PSX and CDC. We are also grateful to all market participants and our valuable shareholders for their trust and continuing support.